How's it going? This is a 2013 BMW 128i Convertible, and just some basic use of the key fob. If you want to unlock the doors, usually if you push the button one time, it unlocks the driver's door. Then you have to push it again to unlock the other doors. But you can actually change those settings if you follow your owner's manual. You can change the settings so that it will unlock both doors with just one push of the up button. And then to lock the doors, push the BMW button in the center. Both doors will lock. Also, to open the trunk, the bottom button right there, just come back here close to the trunk and push the button. Just like that. Lift her up. You can also open the trunk with underneath right here. You'll feel a little button right underneath there. Just push it. Make sure the car is unlocked and just push this button underneath here and it'll unlock it. And then, you know, your battery is located under here. Lift this up, there's your battery, toolkit. Some of these cars have a first aid kit that might be right there. You can also stash away. This is where the convertible top goes when it's down, so you can actually move this out of the way like that to get more trunk space. So this is a little tip, but you can't use the convertible top if it's in this position here. So this needs to be like this to use the convertible top. And that's that. We've got tons of stuff on our channel, so check out it, and you'll see all kinds of stuff about cars, dirt bikes, motorcycles, ATVs, and all kinds of cool stuff. So you'll have a good day.